Got a Smartkey Kwikset I've had for a few days. I've been working on. There's the bitting, pretty good bitting. I dug through the stack to find the best bitting key I could find, and it is key retaining. And I have picked this several times. And it's not a hard pick, but it's different feel than pin and tumbler. So I'm gonna see if I can get it today. I'm gonna use this little bent diamond here. This keyway, it's hard to reach at number 5 that I found, but this works best. I've had this thing for a while, but I've never really used it. But this keyway is so wide open, got so much room that I can get back here, and it works really well. Alright, there's 5, and 4, nothing. 3, 2, nothing on 1. Now click on 2, nothing on 3, 4, and well, I'm gonna watch the camera. I'm getting away. My pick song. There we go. And there's 5, 4. 3, 2, and 1. There it goes. Alright, and a little turn. I knew 3 felt like it was wanting to do something. Alright, I think 5's good. 4's good. 3's good. Maybe 2. No, I think it's gonna be 1. There it is. And it's open. What I'm gonna like about the Kwikset Smartkey is it's one lock. But that's the bitting. You take that and you turn it. You turn that shackle down, and you take the Smartkey, stick it in that little hole till it clicks, and you pull this key out, and you can take another key, and we'll take this one with this bitting here, stick it in there, you turn the shackle up and close it. Now this key works. The key that comes with it will not work. So ultimately you have, if you've got a bunch of Kwikset keys, you can just pick all day long on one lock and just change the keys. So I'm going to try to pick this one now. I'm just going to use a standard hook. Nothing on 1. We'll click on 2. On 3, 4, 5. Go back to the stack. There's 4, 3, 2, 1. Get a deeper. It's a little deeper hook here. So I can push them pins up a little higher. Oh. Too close. I hope that wasn't too much. 5, 4, 3, 2. Gotta click on 2. Another click on one, and cord turn just a little, so I'm getting closer. Like I said, they're not a hard pick, but it just feels. I'm gonna try 5. Maybe 5 needs one little clicker. 4. There's a little. This feels different than pin and tumbler. You kind of get a little push back on you sometimes. There's that turn back. Try 1. 2, nothing. 3, 4, 5. Come on. Oop, might push pick my tension wrench out. Hadn't done any videos in a while. Been having a lot of things going on. I'll try to get back into it. This is a good one to get started back into it again. And it's turning out to be whooping my tail now. Come on, crazy lock. Don't know which one it is. There it is, number 1. Driving me crazy, but like I said, it's just a different feel than pin and tumbler. That's the Kwikset Smartkey. Hope you enjoy the video. Be legal, and thanks for watching, and God bless.